Here are your instructions for the reading process practice assignment. This is a practice assignment. I want to get an idea of how you read and process the information in front of you. This is going to be a completion grade, so don't stress about getting answers right or wrong. Often there are many ways to answer and be right. So you're going to type your answers on the slides, and when you are finished, you're going to save and submit your work to the Dropbox. Now for this assignment, you can either hit File, File, Make a Copy, and then you can work in Google Slides, or you can go to File, Download As, and save it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. But you have to make a copy or download the assignment in order to be able to write on it, just like everything else that we've seen so far in this class. All right, so you've made your copy of the reading process quiz. As you're going through it, you're going to see an article. This is not who we are. And then you're going to answer questions on the slides. Now you're going to see this format quite a bit in the classroom. This is how we analyze a lot of the readings. You're going to see assignments on PowerPoint slides and answer the questions on the PowerPoint slides, okay? So this will allow you to familiarize yourself with how you'll be completing work in the class. All right, so you'll need to make sure that you answer each one of these questions that are color-coded in the boxes. So example, to what specific event is she referring in the red underline? And then what does she mean by world symbols? So you'll go through the entire article and you'll answer all of the questions. And then when you get towards the end, you're going to see some multiple choice questions. So you'll grab this lovely object and then you'll put it in the over the answer that is correct. Okay? If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask, and I look forward to seeing who you are as a reader and how you reflect. Thank you.